8 AI tools you can use right now with no credit card, no trial, no catch at sign up. Just the honest limits once you're in. Number 6 is the one I'd protect if they ever started charging. 1. Google AI Studio. Google's newest models. Free in the browser, no setup. The catch? It's built for tinkering, so it looks technical at first. 2. NotebookLM. Upload your notes and get a summary or an audio overview. The catch? It only knows the files you give it. 3. Ideogram. Free images that get the text right. Great for thumbnails. The catch? It slows down when servers are busy. 4. Suno. Describe a song, get a full track in under a minute. The catch? Free tracks aren't cleared for commercial use. 5. Perplexity. Answers with real sources instead of a wall of links. The catch? Deep research is limited per day on free. 6. Claude. Free thinking and writing that beats most paid apps. The catch? Heavy use hits a temporary cap. 7. CapCut. Auto captions and cuts with no subscription. The catch? Some effects are pro only. 8. Gamma. Turn an outline into a design slide deck for free. The catch? Free decks show a small badge. 8 tools, $0. The full toolkit is linked below. Subscribe for the honest version first.